Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm gonna be replacing the battery inside this jump box. It's the JNC jump and carry. I believe this is a 770 model. Okay, so I had this for about 2 years, and recently the battery does not hold the charge as much, especially when trying to jump a car. Before I could get maybe 5-6 jump starts out of this. Now 1 or 2 max. So Home Depot, I found out that Home Depot sells a replacement battery for these. Here's the model number if you want to look it up. Okay, and I'll be sure to leave a link at the bottom where you could purchase this battery in case if you have one of these and you want to replace it as well. So to start, we're gonna turn it around and remove these screws. We got about maybe 10 to 15 of them. All right. So I'm gonna start doing that and we'll get back to you shortly. You kind of want to feed these wires through the back cover, and that's it, because now it's attached. There you go. There's our battery. We just got to remove these 2 bolts and attach the new one. Okay, here we got the new battery replacement, and I could already see a problem. The terminals are different than the original. Okay, so this is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to get this replaced. As you can see, the terminals on the batteries were different. So instead of getting another one and waiting for it, so I just modified the connection point. Just pretty much twisted it where it can match, and doing the same thing to the other side, and it should be good to go shortly. All right, as you can see, I just had to adjust these terminals, modify them a little bit to connect to the terminals, and we're gonna charge it up and try it out.